the matter? All right.
I got to do everything. I cannot. Close that thing.
All right, we're gonna go over the bridge.
Gotta go over the bridge.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, Charlie, just hang on, okay? Montmorency Falls. I don't know if you can hear me, it's very loud. Here in Quebec, I believe this falls is actually 13 meters taller than Niagara Falls. It's pretty cool. And it's about 15 minutes from downtown. And you can hear the roar of the Eastern right now. You have music, the water. The views are absolutely beautiful. Up to St. Lawrence River over there. So it is a very, very cool work of natural art. Cool outside, huh?
Yeah,
see, there's the waterfalls right there. Is that crazy?
yeah, so crazy.
Where is it? Look how calm the water is right before it falls. And it goes splash into the river. Say cheese. You guys want to get a head start? Let's look at this side over here. Yeah. Is that pretty?
Is she asleep?
No.
Charlotte.
Her eyes, she looks like she's tired though.
Hey,
You tired, Charlotte? Oh yeah, see?
We can go over there.
Yeah, it's like a fountain.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just like just over where we are right here. There's the mountain.
We can go down the ships, Daddy.
I think that goes back to where we were. Yeah.
Why is there not water coming out?
Because it's the winter time, it'll freeze. It'll
What's
turn-
that?
Oh, a little baby.
That's not. That's not. Wait.
Be careful. Go slow. Okay, let's go look over here.
Mommy.
She's over there. Do you see her? See that?
What's those? What are these, Daddy?
Watch, it's gonna come up.
What are those, Daddy? What are those, Daddy?
Those are like to look at the like a telescope, like the binoculars you have. Remember the binoculars we got a picture footage?
Oh yeah, I actually want to look. I want to look everything.
We're about 20 minutes over the border of an upstate Maine. We just had to pull over to this nice scenic overview. It is cold out here. Look at nippy. Where's that go? Hold on, it's got behind you. Woo.